Kumana na kuumbuka kwa uwau wa Kivinduvindu nthini wa imwe cia kaunti vanthi ya Kenya yu silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kwisila kwa muvia wa utheu na uima wa mwii niyoosa matambya ma Kuseuvya nzama mwanya na ila ikwika ukunikili undu uwau wa umbuka kauntini ya Masaku ukathinikiwa na kuminwa kwa mituki ila vatonyekana ilivyotutokolewa mbianginiwe Dani Mwongela.
Nthini wa uneni wake Minister muviani wa Uiiti silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku Dr. Daniel Yumbia ni waelesea kana wanakwitha wa usundu namba kuumbuka kauntini no Masaku vena wata munene wa enende kuendea na kuisuvya na kuatia mioloto yonthe ya kwisiania na usuta kuthamba moko nelesekana yume vya yonthe ya silikali no Masaku ni nyumbanite undu vailite kuendea na kwisiania na umwisi wa Kivinduvindu.
Governor wa Masaku Honorable Wavinya Ndeti na Deputy Governor wake ni form committee na committee eno zina ministries cionthe ila ya utheu ya kiuo ila ya malelo na ila ya masoko nitwewe kana kwi county zingi kipindu chumelile na nikwitha ondo DG wa wetwa ni kana andu maitu mauma Ilobi makauma Mombasa makauma kila bandu makoka ku tandithia ku Masaku ni laita ile Kuseuvya kwa hiyo andu maitu mewa o ni kana twisuvye tuikese mbwa na thina wa kipindupindu nundu wa mbuye no yende yitawa El Nino andu maitu mathambe moko saasio theme uya andu maitu mathambe moko maumachoni andu maitu mathambe moko kula kwisiathi sikiwe kigukithambwe na andu maitu ala matesea maleu masokoni tafadhali tesia i maleu menyu kundu kutheu kana muhakikishe liu wenyu ni wabya nesa na muyitho angalau na kindu kithamba moko na mundu la mutea liusu.
Ni uneni urawa kwa tambau ni munini wa governor kauntini ya Masaku Francis Mwangangi atongwese komitii isu walesekana nimekuendea na uveta kiko na kwikithikana ni kwethiwa na utheu mataunini kusuvia usundu kese kuumbuka na kunyaika.
Maneno ya siwa county secretary will oversee that being done immediately because Minister for Finance has already released anything to do with the fuel. So it is full swing as far as cleanliness is concerned. Solid waste, hiyo ni maneno hata county secretary has already added more staff to ensure we improve our sanitation. While we were meeting, we have also mobilized equipment in terms of rollies so that we can go and do a lot of this waste and garbage collection, so that we can prevent anything that might happen. About a specific case of that sewer at near Red Cross and another one at industrial area, county secretary will take it up, and in case it is not done within 24 hours, I think we will converge again and we will ensure it is done because we want a health population.
We have meditated, we have thought through the issues that were given to us as the assignment that was given to us by the governor, and we now know that we are in a safer place as far as that menace is concerned.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutogwe TV, kumvanza wa ofisi wa munini wa gavana kauntini ya Masaku.